This is my 1956 Ford Victoria.
Built this 82 Firebird into a sort of a poor man's Ferrari.
Hey, I'm out here in Morris, and I'm with my lion friend and this beautiful little California baby. Braden, right?
Braden, yes.
Hi, baby Braden. Can you say hi? Say hi. Yeah, you want hi.
I want it, yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Can you wave?
Can you wave to the viewers?
Say hi. Say hi.
Future race car driver? Yeah, you play with your lion. Okay, I am here with
Lion Lori Lynn, Morris Lions Club, also second vice district governor of District 1BK.
and Grandma.
And grandma of Braden.
Okay, and?
Tom Kinsler with the Morris Lions Club.
Ralph Banian with the Morris Lions Club.
Okay. Do you want to go ahead and give some details that I can't even begin to ask?
Sure. All righty. Cool. We're out here with the Morris Cruise Night. Normally get around 800 plus cars at the Morris Cruise Night, and we're raffling off this 69 Firebird right behind us. It's our 20th year of giving away cars. The Morris Lions Club does a lot of great things in the community. We help people with their vision and hearing. We develop parks and maintain parks. We give out scholarships, and the Lions are international, so there's a Lions Club near you.
It's our 100th, it's our centennial birthday in 2017, so we're in our centennial year, and we're doing a lot of activities now to celebrate our 100th anniversary. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Awesome, and this is the car that you're raffling off.
Right. We raffled the car off October 30th, and it's at our car show 5 miles east of Morris on Lyndale Chemical Rec Center. Hope to see everybody out there. We have over 1,300 cars out there, a large swap vendor meet, about 700 vendors, and it's just a great time.
We go every year. We'll be there for sure.
Awesome. It's October 30th this year.
Looking forward to seeing you. Having a successful year.
I love that event. It's great. It's a little early for me, but I'll be there. And does the lion come with the car? I think I asked you that.
The lion comes with the car.
Okay. If not, I got dibs on them.
All right.
Thank you so.
Okay. You go around the car.
Where'd my baby go? You don't want to walk, Braden?
Thank you.
How you guys doing selling tickets out here?
Pretty good. There's been a lot of selling ones for $7, so I think it's pretty good, and it goes to a good cause. So
say hi to the viewers.
Hi.
We're with USClassicMuscleCars, so make sure you go online.
Okay.
It's on YouTube. Subscribe to it. Show your friends you're famous. And you're out here doing a good cause thing, right?
Yep.
All right. What's your name?
Riley.
And
Anna.
you guys go to school out here?
Yeah, we go to Morris High School.
All right. Tell your friends. Good job, ladies.
Thank you.
Raffling off a 69 Firebird over here, folks. $5 to win a car.
You're doing a good job out here, right?